The Finance Ministry has just released its July economic report. Let me take it across to Ruchi Bhatia, my colleague, find out what does it entail.
Well, absolutely right. Finance Ministry in their July economic update have said that there are visible signs of economic rejuvenation coming in the second half of the fiscal year, and this can be attributed to a muted impact on the second wave of COVID-19 on the Indian economy, and add to that almost 50 crore number that has been reached in terms of the vaccination doses that have been administered as well, and which is why Finance Ministry says that if you look at the high frequency indicators, it seems to be indicating that the receding of the second wave of COVID-19, along with the rapid progress that we've seen on the vaccination front, has really set the stage for further acceleration of economic activity. In fact, the Finance Ministry has said that the movement in high frequency indicators in the month of July, if you look at indicators from e-way bills to GST collections to power consumption, all seem to be pointing northwards and indicating a broad-based economic revival coming in for the Indian economy. On the inflation front, Finance Ministry has said that we are seeing bumps coming in, but it is likely to smoothen over the long term. This is something that has been reiterated by the central bank as well in their last policy. Besides that, the Finance Ministry has said that the economy and society are at a crucial inflection point in terms of building synergies from here on, and we will have to focus on boosting our vaccination numbers, ensuring that more and more people are vaccinated over the days to come, and also ensuring that we press the pedal on economic activity as well, keep the lid on the COVID numbers to ensure that things become better from here on. In fact, Finance Ministry has said that the robust recovery in the tax collections are also cushioning the India's fiscal gap at the moment, and will help in meeting towards the budgeted numbers that were set out at the beginning of the year.